guys, it's your girl about Apris, and today we are going to be doing a DIY manicure set at home using Color Street's nail kit. I'm super excited to show you guys these flavors. Don't forget to subscribe. So these are my nails now, and they are pretty bad. I did them last week, but I just did regular polish, so it's about time I do something with them. So first I'm going to take these nail polish remover wipes and I'm going to use them to take off the polish on my nails. I like these nail polish wipes because they're pretty easy, a lot easier than using a cotton ball and nail polish remover. And I should only have to use one wipe to get all of my polish off. And I'm just going to take the wipe and I'm going to remove the polish from each finger one by one. I can't remember where I got these specific nail polish remover wipes, but I know they sell them. You can find them at Target, you can find them at Walmart, Amazon, any pretty much regular store you'll be able to find some. And if you haven't tried any, I definitely recommend that you do. So now moving on to the next hand, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove all of that polish. And I'm done, and my nails are pretty much nice and clean. Now I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and I'm going to apply some nail polish remover. And the nail polish remover I'm using is the lavender nail polish remover from Ulta, and I like it because it has essential oils in it. I like the lint-free wipe because it doesn't have any stickiness, or it doesn't leave the little pieces like a cotton ball or a tissue would. And I'm just going to apply that to my nail bed, just doing a deeper cleaning with the lavender polish. And again, giving my nails that nice essential oil that comes in this product. This is just going to make my nail beds feel really good in preparation for me to wash and apply my new polish. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands, and I'm just going to use a regular hand soap to do so. If you want to do anything extra, you can always add in a hand scrub, any type of hand exfoliating scrub, just to give yourself that extra pampering treatment. And I'm going to make sure that I get any dirt that's underneath my fingernails. We don't want to do a manicure without forgetting to clean underneath our nails. I'm going to rinse my hands. And now I am going to use a brush from this pedicure set. And I got this pedicure set and I like it because it comes with a brush and other different tools you can use in your hands and your feet. And I'm going to just be using the brush today, and I'm going to apply some soap to it and use it to scrub my fingertips. I'm just getting my nail beds nice and clean after putting on the nail polish remover. Just want to make sure your nails are clean before you apply any type of nail polish. And I'm going to rinse and make sure my hands are nice and clean. And now we're going to dry before we go ahead and apply our polish. So the polish we're going to be using is the Color Street Nail Kit, and I love this color because it's perfect for the spring. As you see, it has flowers, and I'm going to show you how to use the kit and just what it comes with and how to apply it to your nails. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And as you see, it comes with a couple of different things. It comes with an alcohol wipe, so that just kind of helps prep your nail before you put on the polish strips. And it also comes with a mini nail file, which is super cute and handy if you're on the go and want to apply these nail strips as soon as you get them. So pretty much the kit has everything that you'll need, unless you need to cut your fingernails down. But it has the file, it has the alcohol wipe, and it has the nail strips. So these are the nail strips, and as you see, they come in this little pack, and they each have different sizes based on the size of your nail. And I'm also going to take these, and these are an extra set that I had, and I'm going to use it to apply a pop of color onto my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and shape my nails. I don't want to cut them down because I'm pretty satisfied with the length of my nail, but I just want to shape them and do sort of a circular shape. So I'm just going in and making sure that I file each nail. To get the circular shape, as you see, I kind of smooth my nail around, and that kind of gives it that nice and round shape. You could also cut it to help with the round shape, but I like to smooth my nail because it gives it that nice curve. And I don't know why, for some reason I've really been feeling circular nail shapes. So they are done, and my nails are nice and shaped. And I'm going to go ahead and apply the alcohol wipe. So I'm just going to take the wipe, and I'm just going to make sure I wipe each nail, just making sure they're in preparation for me to go ahead and add the nail strips. Now I'm going to apply my pop of color, and this one I believe is called Giza Sands. And I'm going to put these on my ring finger, and I'm going to take each strip and see which one matches the size of my nail before I apply it. So to open the strip, it has a flap on it that you peel. So you peel the first strip off, and then you peel the second layer from the paper, and that is the strip that you actually apply to your nail. So I'm going to line it up as best as possible with my cuticle, and I'm going to smooth it in to fill out any wrinkles or lines and make sure that it's nice and smooth. Then you want to take your fingernail and you want to kind of cut your nail just to slice off the rest of the strip that you don't need. And you can use scissors to cut, or you can just use your fingernail, and that should do the job. You just want to make sure that it's smooth, and if you need to, you can use any scissors to get any of the excess polish. And once you've applied it, you just want to file it just to make sure it's nice and smooth. So now we're moving on to the next finger, and we are going to do the same thing on the other hand. Then file. Now we're going to apply the rest of our colors, and we just want to make sure we have the right size for each finger. We're going to peel our strips again and apply them to our fingernail as close to the cuticle as possible. I liked this one better than the Giza Sands because it was honestly easier to peel off and it went on the nail a lot smoother, as you can see. I mean, that was way quicker than I thought it would be. And I'm just gonna take a piece of the other polish and I'm gonna add it to my ring finger just to give it a cute design and make it look different. That's the thing about these nail strips. They're very flexible. You can do designs, you can mix and match different colors. And of course, after you apply, you want to file. Now we're going to go ahead and move to the next hand and we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to add a pop of color to our ring finger. So now I'm going to go ahead and just apply the nail strips to the rest of my nails, and I'm going to use this flower color for the rest of my manicure. And once you get it going, you kind of get the hang of it. They're pretty easy to apply and fairly simple once you've done it a couple of times. Smooth it out. And peel it off. And voila, you have a nail coat. Don't forget to file. So we're going to finish off by applying the polish strips to our thumbs. And guys, this is so simple and easy. I love nail strips. I think they last a lot longer than painting your own nails, and of course a lot quicker. I mean, if you're on the go and you just want to do something really cute to your nails, if you are going to an event, you can do this in the car on the way. You can stop by Target, stop by Walmart, get you some nail strips and apply them just that quickly. So we're finishing up our last finger, and we just want to make sure we trim around the edges. And it's fairly easy to get any residue. You could either peel it with your fingers or you can use a Q-tip. And guys, we are done. Our nails are nice and polished, and we did not have to wait for them to dry. We didn't have to do anything like that. So now that they're done, we're going to go ahead and just do one quick washing. I like to wash my hands always after I have my nails done. It just makes me feel super cute and like, you know, a good pampering. My nails are done. My hands are clean. I really like this design. I like the fact that I added the color to it. I wasn't going to do that at first, but I'm glad I did because it's super cute. So just going to rinse the hands and we are done, and I'm going to dry, and can't wait to show you guys the final look. I just want to make sure the fingers are nice and dry. So now we're going to apply some lotion, and this is the Jergens Sweet Citrus Lotion, and we're going to apply it to our hands just a little bit, not too much, because this is actually a body butter, so it's pretty thick. So I'm gonna rub that all over my hands, and guys, my hands feel nice and soft. And this body butter smells delicious. So this is the final look. I'm super excited. Overall, I really like the way they came out. I love the design, and it is super, super pretty. So this is the final look, guys. And as you can see, they're nice and shiny, super cute, and perfect for the spring. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.